This could very well be by far the greatest bag for wildland firefighters. This is a brand new company that I found, Silo. Well, they're not new, but I found them online and they offered to send me some gear so that we could check it out and get you guys some great gear. Gear bags. This is what they use for running. So this company is all about running, and they create bags for people who are runners. And this is the ultimate toiletries bag right here. This is going to be fantastic. I cannot wait to do a full review on this. This is an unboxing, so bear with me. This is all brand new to me. Again, the company is Silo, is the name of it. But when I tell you that this is gonna be your next wildland firefighting gear bag, station bag, I think it's too small to be a strike team bag, but wildland firefighter station bag, on another level. This is going to be your toiletries bag. I don't remember the name of these offhand. I have to look that up, but I'll have the links to everything. So that's gonna be a bathroom bag. This next one that we have from Silo is, oh my gosh, there's so much. There's so much. This is a gear protecting bag. So for your gear, like, this is so exciting. I can't even tell you. You can put, this is for waterproof stuff. So if you want to have some gear that you need to keep in a waterproof bag, this is the Silo 10 liter in black. I think it's called Stealth Black. This, look at how deep that is. Look at how deep in there that is. This is I'm telling you right now, this you could put, you could put shoes, boots, flip-flops, anything that you don't want to get wet. Heck, you could almost use this as a laundry bag. I mean, it's a little bit too small, but the options are endless. And I have something else coming my way that you're gonna wanna stay tuned for too, because yeah, that's right. That's right. Okay, this one, I'm not really too sure what this one is. They said they were gonna send me 3, and this is 4, so we'll have to get into this and see exactly what it is. Again, this is from the company called Silo, and they specialize in gear bags for people who run. And I reached out to them, said I have a channel for wildland firefighting, and he's like, yeah, I mean, this is not something we normally do, but absolutely. So I sent him my channel link, he checked it out, and lo and behold, this is what we're looking at. This would be ideal for shoes. Extra shoes. Look at the size of this bag. You could put anything in here. You could put, ladies, you could put civilian clothes for those strike team bags. Men, you could do like a nice t-shirt or a pair of jeans just to have. This is pretty cool. The options are endless. I'm not sure what this bag name is. I'm gonna have to do some deep digging, but let me tell you, there'll be links down in the bottom for all of this stuff. I'm not affiliated. I do not have an affiliate link yet, but I'm gonna work on getting that for you guys so that you guys can see all of this stuff. This is what caught my eye. This right here is the Silo Droop Drop 1 bag. This bag, like I said, this is for runners, but I think that this is going to be the perfect station bag. And I'm surprising my family. They're on vacation and I don't have to work tomorrow. And I'm surprising my family. So I'm gonna pack this bag, and I'm gonna pack the bathroom bag. Look at that, look at that. The separate compartments for anything. Mystery Ranch is great too, but this is, oh, and like I said, stay tuned, because next week, we got some good stuff happening. There's another product coming, and I've got a video coming out on Tuesday. Don't be worried, but this one here, this is good stuff. This is, like I said, Wildland Firefighter gear bag. This is, look at this thing, look. Let me get this all set up. Oh, this is how it works, okay? So it's big enough for a station bag. This is big enough for a station bag, but it's not going to be big enough for a strike team bag. Okay, so you have this extra compartment right here. Again, the company name is Silo. You can put shoes in here, like tennis shoes, your slippers, flip-flops, station flip-flops, whatever you need, right in there. Oh my gosh, it will fit in here. And then check it out. Check it out. As if you needed more room and more compartments. Check this out. Inside the bag are extra compartments. Extra compartments all throughout it. It's got a strap, a shoulder strap, so you can use it as a shoulder, as a sling bag over your shoulder. We're gonna go to Hawaii late Christmas time, and this bag will be going for sure. Look at all the compartments in here. Look at them all. You can put foot powder, you can put moleskin, you can put just extra stuff you need for the station. Just whatever you need to bring to the station. This is pretty cool. I am so excited about this company. Silo sent me all of this stuff, and let me tell you, like I said, this is compartmentalized, and then you fold it up. You just fold it up. You close it up, and then it's got a little bag, but I've got something coming that I'm going to show you that's going to work perfectly with this. You guys are going to want to stay tuned for that. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, Everything Wildland Firefighting I usually don't drop a video until I'm supposed to. So this one, I might just throw this together and put this up tonight. This is an unboxing of the Silo gear bag for wildland firefighters. I mean, look at trees, mountains, the sunset. It's all here. I told you it was set up for, it's been set up for runners. But guess what? We need bags that are sturdy. This thing is sturdy. The plastic for this, that's sturdy. Silo. I want to thank Silo for this. It's not sponsored. I don't have an affiliate link yet. I'm going to work on getting one. The link will be in the bottom. This is fantastic. I am so excited. The roll drop, that's what it's called right there. The roll drop is your toiletries bag, and then the crew drop one is the bigger bag. Plenty of different colors. They put sleeping bags in this one. This is waterproof. You can put a sleeping bag in there for the Forest Service. You could slam a sleeping bag in there and put it on. It's got clips so you can clip it on to a backpack or whatever. This is absolutely phenomenal. This spread right here. Silo, a huge thank you to you, Luke. Thank you for sending all this. I cannot wait to show you what else I have that's gonna work perfect with this. Perfect. I freaking love you. Goodbye.